Alright guys, we're gonna fix this window unit. It's up for a while. I do believe the compressor went out, and I'm gonna see if we can fix it. So it's gonna call Can We Fix It? I got a new thermostat here. So let's see if we can fix it. This window unit's junk. Let's see if we can fix it. It's gonna be part one of this series. I got 55 on the clock. So just come along with me and I'll show you what's wrong with it. Thing is cracked up, it's already broken. The unit spins freely. The compressor did stop working on this. So let's see if we can fix this. I use electrical tape to fix it because I don't have regular packing tape. It's a regular jack window unit. See if we can fix it. I don't have packing tape, but we'll do electrical. Oh. Speak of common households. Wherever there's a crack in it, I'm just going to tape it for right now. I have 2 units. We'll be fixing both. I think I'm going to seal it like this. Make sure you get all your corners sealed. The radiator is doing something. I think it needs a spacer or something. I don't care if it fucking... Oh, sorry. I don't care if it breaks or leaks Freon. I'm going to take pieces out the edges. Here. It's rubbing on it. I don't know why. The radiator's bent or something. I'm not fixing that. Just stay away from that as much as possible. Spraying freely. Not free enough. I'm just taking and peeling parts of this off. Something bent and I don't know what exactly is not cooperating with each other, but I'm just gonna take it to chew out of the way again as I go. So we're in 7 minutes. Oh here, I kind of messed up on that one. Just gonna line these up. Line the edges up. Just gonna do a hillbilly style. These units about $100. They're cheap. Gonna put electrical tape wherever I can. I'm sorry how long this is taking. I'm just gonna do this probably unedited raw footage. I don't feel like having time to edit today. It's just make it raw on these part series. Been 9 minutes into the vlog. That's where air leak's gonna happen, so I'm gonna just build a bridge across it. Okay, that's fixed. On to round 2. I don't have screws for it. I got enough parts unit. I don't know where I put the screws or if I had some. I don't know. Use that as a trash bin. Or inside that container here. Got this slider piece. It needs fixed. Gonna put all these parts in there in a little container area, whatever you call it. This is a straight up airflow. It still rubs a little. Just gonna have to walk it back and forth. So is the thermostat area. We will be putting a thermostat on. Let's see, I can tell you all. Anyway, if I can show you better. That's on, off. Here's your source here. These go to your thermostat. Can't explain it right now, but that goes to your thermostat. Here are the brown and black. Let's see. I'm missing something. Okay. This right here goes to your fan. Right here, that goes all the way to your fan. And this goes to your compressor. I don't know which way the wires go. We'll figure it out in a little bit. It doesn't matter where you put the wires on this thing. I don't think it matters. Find out we will, if it does. So. I'm just connecting these and sliding the rubber over them right now, so I can get a better connection. I mean, not better connection, but safety-wise. Gotta put your rubbers over them. Looks like this come out of that. So I'm gonna take a screw out of that. 2 screws. And pop this over the side. Stick that up in that hole. Seal it up in there. And it'll go in between those ridges right there. I got a screwdriver over here. We'll fix it. Also, run your ground in that. That's much better ground. It's tighter. And if you're repairing these. I have to pay for editing software. I think it might be out of prescription right now. I have to pay for it again. That's probably why I'm just going to leave this pretty much just raw footage. You're going to test it when I put it back together because I don't want to fully assemble it when it's not going to work. I think it was supposed to go on that side. Looks like that. How they done? Into brown. Oh, and also like, share, and subscribe to Country Boy Riley, and you'll see more vlogs. As always, thank you. I'm just kind of lengthen these out and see. Oh, and also there's supposed to be a diode on this, but they normally typically go out. I'll show you that in vlog 2. And I like to turn my thermostat all the way up, so I know it's clicked in when she starts. We're gonna make sure these are on. Actually, we're gonna do on that on the. Alright, make sure our friends here. Okay, well, that was a fail. And it got hot, so let's see what they're doing. Don't know what's wrong with them. Swap them out a little bit. I don't know, maybe the polarity's backwards. But thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on round 2 or part 2. Other than that, thanks for like, share, and subscribe, and I'll try to show you what I'm doing. So let's do part 2.